That's that shit right there. Yeah. That's that shit right there. Come on. That's that shit right there. Yeah.
Hello, folks. Today is Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. And today we celebrating Liberty on 4th birthday today. So we didn't get a chance to celebrate her birthday on the 29th. So we're going to do it today. So we're going to bring you details. We're going to be cooking hot meatballs. We're going to have party food going on today. So stay tuned for that. Let me flip the strip around so you can see her cake. This is her cake right here. She's Dr. Mac stuffing. This is her cake we're going to present to her. So once we finish cooking and everything, I'm going to bring you more videos and more details of the party as soon as we can. So we got to go finish making some runs, and when we come back, I'm going to bring the videos to you of the party, the food we cooking, and everything else. So stay tuned, folks. All right, folks, welcome back. As you can see, we went and picked up the balloons from Party City for Liberty 4th birthday party today. Also, let me flip the script around. We're sitting in Rouse's parking lot right now, so she's going to pick up some drinks, sodas and stuff for the party, and some more stuff that we need for the party. But yeah, this is Liberty 4th party. Like I said, we couldn't do the party on September the 29th, which is actually her birthday. But we're doing a little party for her today. She's going to probably be surprised. We picked up the cake already from Walmart. We got also other sorts of stuff we have. We just picked up the balloons, like I say, from Party City. Now we're at Rouse's getting ready to pick up some drinks and some other little knickknacks. Then when we leave here, I think we got to pick up a few more things. A couple of T-shirts. They're going to have their name engraved in their T-shirts for the party. She's going to have her T-shirt with her Dr. Mac stuffing character in there with her name on it, number 4 on there for representing her birthday. So that's all we got to do now. So once we leave here, I'm gonna go home and cook after we finish doing all of our rip and run for the day. I'm gonna go home. We're gonna do hot meatballs today. We're gonna do finger sandwiches, what we're gonna pick up from the store, because like I said, we pushing for time. So we're gonna do finger sandwiches from either Rouse's or either Winn-Dixie. We're gonna pick up the sandwiches. But first, I'm gonna do the stuffed eggs. We're having plenty of stuffed eggs today. We're gonna have hot meatballs. We're doing hot dogs for the kids. Nothing major, nothing big. Just some party food for the kids. Just something light for this here party, you know. So we did it big for Layla's birthday party. Also, we got some characters coming. We got the Dr. Mac stuffing character. She's gonna be surprised with that if she's gonna be scared like they was for Mickey Mouse. So we're gonna have that character. I'm gonna bring you all the events of the party, the decorations and everything, either from the cooking. Now, this video gonna have a lot of movement in it, so I'm apologizing right now. We're gonna have a lot of movement in this video once we get set it up, because usually I try to bring quiet videos to you, but we're gonna have everybody moving around because everybody's gonna be doing something, trying to get the party together. Sarah, want to give thanks to Sarah. Carter, her sister, she's going to be doing the decorations at the house. And she's going to do all the decorations. She do good work with the decorations. So all props go to her too as well. And also thank God for a good day, because it's a gorgeous day out here. Let me just show y'all how beautiful it is out here today. No rain, no nothing. It's just beautiful out here today. So it's a pretty day to do things. Y'all go out. If you ain't doing something today, do something. It's a pretty day, so make sure y'all doing something positive and something to have fun, because I know we're still in the COVID and everybody's still trying to do things. We're going to phase 3. Thank God for that. We're gonna have a lot of restaurants and everything opening up to hopefully 75% capacity or whatever. So that's a good thing as well. But far as that, like I said, we doing Liberty 4th birthday party today. So we sitting right now. Well, I'm sitting right now waiting on her to come out the store with the drinks and stuff. So once we get to the next stop, I'll get back with you guys. So stay tuned to everything. Today is October the 3rd, and this is a Saturday, y'all. And right now the time is 12:57 that I'm making this video for this part. So we got a couple of parts of this video that I'm gonna bring to you. So it might be another long video because we're still gonna do the meatballs and the live cooking as well. I'm not gonna stop that. We're gonna bring that video to you as well. It's gonna probably be breaking up into parts, and I'm gonna edit everything so y'all can get that video to y'all as soon as we finish all the completions of everything. So, but right now, stay tuned. When she come out of Rouse's from getting the drinks, we're gonna go to the next stop, and I get back with y'all guys. Then, if not, we'll probably be at the house, and I'll just get back with you guys. So stay tuned. Peace out for right now. All right, folks, welcome back again. We came from the store from getting all the products that we need for Liberty's 4th birthday party today. There's going to be a lot of moving around today, so you're going to hear a lot of baby crying. You're going to hear a lot of everything. We're preparing to get the party started, so as you can look around, let me flip the camera around. As you can see, we're preparing to get the party started. All the decorations is being displayed right now. We working on getting all the decorations together. So, like I said, you're gonna hear a lot of movement, a lot of people, because everybody's doing something in this video today. So, also bring the attention back to here. We're cooking today. We're gonna have hot dogs and chili. We're gonna have barbecue meatballs. We're using the Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce today. Last time I said Bubba Ray's, excuses for that. But we're using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce today. We got Hermel chili and hot dogs, 24 count, but we got extras in case they run out. Also, as you come over this way, you can see the eggs. I'm about to do some stuffed eggs. So we're gonna have plenty of those. We're doing hot meatballs today. I'm using these here bags of meatballs that's already made because I didn't have time to make them. Like I said, we always push it for time. These are all the ingredients that I'm using for putting these meatball sauce and all that. So for the homemade barbecue meatballs, or like you want to say, hot meatballs. So this is a party going on today. These are the eggs. I'm getting ready to stuff those eggs in a minute. I'm about to put the meatballs on, folks. I'm about to put the chili on. Let me flip it back. So I'm about to get ready to prepare everything. So once I do that, I'll be back with you guys. So stay tuned. All right, I just put the hot dogs on, and I'm about to peel eggs, and I'm about to put the meatballs on. Stay tuned. All right, folks, welcome back again. This is the conclusion of this video. This is all the party for Liberty 4th birthday party. This is everybody that's invited and everybody that showed up so far. We got Dr. McFuffin Stuffing that's in the house, giving the babies a hug before she leave. Also, we're gonna go around here. We got the family in the house today. Also, we got all the food that I prepared. I did the eggs, y'all. The sandwich has been brought when catered by One Dixie. These are the eggs. These are all the gifts for Liberty 4th birthday party. Also, all the family members and the babies. They're crying because they were scared of Dr. McMuffin. All right, that's Chelsea. She's in the house. It's a short little party, just a family little party. Hey, way back Ken. Hey, Ken. You about to be famous. All right, there you go. She's inside today. That's all the kids. And let's go take a picture of the birthday girl. Liberty. 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 Hey, say hey. Tell the world hey. Yeah, I know, I saw. She came out the door. She gone home and changed now. She said she got to go to another party. So this the birthday girl. She made 4 years old. Liberty. 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 All right. Oh, and this is the present that she got.
Show gave you, baby.
Show her what the all your presents you got. Look, see, look what Dr. McFuffin Stuffing gave to you.
And a present.
And look, these is all her presents. But this is Liberty. This is her 4th birthday.
Look. Uncle Jeff.
Yeah, I got Uncle Jeff and Auntie Crystal on the house today. We got Pops.
Y'all be looking for their YouTube page. Yeah. It's called Chris and Jay.
Yeah, Chris and Jay coming up.
Subscribe.
Make sure you hit that button. That like button, the subscribe button, any button that's on there, hit it.
And make sure y'all be looking for the Irish Twins channel.
Also the Irish Twins channel.
Irish Twins channel.
Twins. I said chins, but it's twins. All right, we got Mom and Pops in the house. They're chilling. Say hey, because y'all going to be on TV. All right, this the party for the day. Liberty 4th birthday party. Your boy did it again. This is another video coming at you. These are all Liberty birthday presents. This is all the presents, y'all. Like I said, I was going to bring to you. These are the balloons that she received today. We got that from Party City. So this is the one who made her birthday a couple of months ago. That's Layla. She's in the house today too as well. She got all Liberty cards. It might be upside down. You might can't read them, but they're upside down. This is the mom, of course. Look at that. See? Look at that. Yep. All right. And that's Zach in the house. Zach and the grandma hand right there. Look. We got Chelsea and who else? Oh, we also got Muffin and yeah. Yep, got the wife in the house. So we got Sarah walking. Auntie Sarah. We got Sister Maddie in the house. Yep. Got Fearless Maddie in the house. Dangerous Maddie in the house. Other one. Little sister Osha in the house.
Little sister Layla.
And also Muffin, aka Stuffing McMuffin. Dr. Stuffing Muffin. She's in the house. Okay. She used to be Minnie Mouse too as for a Layla party. So also look, we got the meatballs. This is the chili sauce we got for the kids. We got the wieners. Everything is ready. And on this here pot right here, we got the meatballs. Done by you, by me at least. And they're not homemade meatballs, but they done. So, but I'm just giving you a glance at the party and everybody. And that's Muffin right there. That's the other sister. That's the 20-year-old or 19-year-old. And everybody coming out the house. So I'm gonna flip the camera back if I can. Well, look like I can't flip the camera back. But today is Liberty 4th birthday. Her birthday was on September the 29th, like I told you guys earlier in the other videos. And today we got a chance to celebrate her birthday because we had so much going on her birthday, and her birthday fell on a Tuesday, so we couldn't film or do nothing for her birthday on that day because, like I said, we was busy going through stuff that whole week. We had the funerals and all kinds of stuff to go through. I don't know neither, but we'll put this in the drawer. And like I said, we're going to have a lot of entertainment in this video. So I'm glad y'all, hope y'all enjoyed celebrating us with Liberty 4th birthday today. Thank God for another day. We was able to do it today and put a smile on her face as well. She made her 4th birthday. And I'm behind the cameras, you know your boy, a.k.a. Calvin Ramsey, a.k.a. Mr. Scorpio Ramsey, a.k.a. Mr. Scorpio 13, and all the good stuff. And it's the birthday girl coming. Huh? All right. You want to save it for tomorrow? All right, I'm going to put it up here on my right there on that there. See that? See that fry? That's good. All right. All right, y'all. I'm about to bring this video to a conclusion. I hope y'all enjoyed Liberty's 4th birthday. And like I said, today is Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. And it's just a little something in-house, a little small party. It's just family members and all the family didn't show up today yet, but we're going to continue this party until it's over. And then after that, everybody